So this is how I wired up the headlights. And it works with the two relays, one for low, one for high. But it's a lot of wires, and I figured out how to do it with just one relay. So I'm gonna take this apart and put it together, because this is the garage where we do it right, because we do it twice. Well, there's a little less spaghetti. So I got the one relay out. Everything's wired, well, not everything, just the headlights high and low. I'm getting the driver running lights wired to the halos and a couple other things. So I'll get that done and we'll take a look. All right, let's check it out. Running halos, low beam, high beam.